And take a look at the odds. Still have chances at some super fractors in here. 1 out of 30,000 packs. Holy cow. How many packs are in here? 22 cards. It doesn't say. Surely it's based on packs. I don't know. We'll open them. I'm assuming it's probably 4 or 5 packs and then a little 2-card pack. But 1 in 30,000 packs gets us a super fractor, so I have to do a few of these breaks to have a shot, but we'll see what we can make happen. Anyways, without further ado, we got 8 of these bad boys. We'll go ahead and get started. I'm assuming there's packs in here. It's not going to be like a cellophane pack. It should be like 4 or 5 different little packs, but we'll find out. Oh my gosh. Opens from the bottom. Just trolling me there. So if you look, like it's got a divider there. That's gonna be a pain. This side doesn't open very well. Got him. Probably gonna bust my gloves. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to get my knife out. Tricked them. Tricked me real good today. But I don't want to cut the packs either. That's got to be like an error. Surely. Maybe open from the side? No. Dang. 1 out of 10. Not a fan. That is brutal. Anyways, I'll get more efficient with that as we go, I guess. But I guess I could like rip that piece and slide them out. Very interesting. Alright, well here we go. Looks like we got 5 packs of 4 cards and then a pink wave pack. So without further ado, we'll start off with a rookie, Zach Green for the Giants. We got a Derek Jeter numbers game. That's a nice one there. David Ortiz and another Derek Jeter. Numbers game inserts are pretty sweet looking. Got a little bit of like refraction to them. Dario Agrazal, rookie for the Tigers. Hunter Pence for the Giants. Pedro Martinez. And a Yordan Alvarez rookie for the Houston Astros. Hey Shelly, it's good to see you jump in here again. Quintameda for the Twins. We got a Kyle Lewis, Decades Next insert. It's got a nice rookie shield up there letting you know. Pete Alonso, Cup card, and Robinson Cano. So we'll have 16 pink wave cards that should come out of these boxes. Hopefully we can get some nice ones out of those. So that's kind of your limited card out of here that's specific to these boxes. Jason Kipnis for the Cubs. Nestor Cortez. Sorry, I'm out of camera there. For the Mariners. Edwin Encarnacion and Logan Morrison. Rounding it out there. King Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Hank Aaron numbers game. Nice one there. Jesus Tanaka for the Rockies, rookie. And Brock Holt for the Brewers. Some of these guys' names I'm not super familiar with. Alrighty. Our pink waves. Oh, a nice Ichiro for the Mariners. That's pretty cool. And Anthony Rendon for the Angels. A couple nice ones there. No rookies, but Alright, box number 2. Challenge accepted. I'm about to destroy this little blockade they got going on. I don't even care. Just full send it straight to the packs. It's not like I'm trying to keep the box, right? That was probably like a 3 out of 10. I gotta think of a better way to open those boxes. Mark McGuire, Brendan Kay, debut rookie there. Nice Randy Arozarena. This is not a debut rookie, it's just a pure rookie card of him. I'm not sure how they decide that. It's based on when the product's made or what, but we got Neil Walker for the Phillies. There'll be some guys here that have a debut and some that don't. I'm assuming if the product's like printed before they debut, maybe. I'm not 100% sure how that works, but anyways, got a nice Rosarina rookie. Gabe Spear, the Royals. Ozzie Smith numbers game. Anthony Rendon and Tommy Pham for the Padres. Trent Grisham, nice rookie there for the Padres. Phillip Dale for the Rockies. Mike King, rookie for the Yankees. And Cesar Hernandez for the Indians. So we got 3 rookies out of that pack. I'm assuming there's a slew of rookies in here that this will be their first rookie card. I haven't done my homework to figure out who those guys are, but there's Yoshi for the Rays. Nice rookie there. Got Decades Next, Brendan Rodgers for the Rockies. Quite a few Rockies cards popping out. Got Gavin Lux debut for the Dodgers. And Alex Bregman for the Stros. Money Grandal for the White Sox, Cole Calhoun, Eric Thames, and Tyler Henneman, rookie for the Giants. Alright, your Pink Wave pack. Yield us a nice rookie card here. Oh, another Ichiro. I feel scammed. And Tommy Pham for the Padres. Feel as if we've been scammed with 2 Ichiros. Ichiro's a good player, though. I'll take it. Alright, we're trying this route again. Complete rip across. Nope, not happening. Man, if anybody's got any bold ideas, let me know. It's kind of hard to figure out a good strategy on the fly for opening these packs. Study these boxes. Luckily I don't have a ton of the hangers, so we'll get back to the mega boxes, but jeez Louise. Alright, where's our super fractor? 1 out of 30,000 packs that we're looking for. Kenta Maeda for the Twins. Jason Kipnis for the Cubs. Wilmer Flores for the Giants. And another Randy Arozarena for the Rays. Cause one, you're like a dream come true. 2, just wanna be. If we get 5 Randy Arozarena, what a break. That's what we're on pace for. Kessler Cortez, rookie for the Mariners. Got a Vlad Guerrero Jr. Decades Next. That's a nice one for the... Man, these cards are sharp looking. The Blue Jays here. Neil Walker and Anthony Rendon for the Angels. Yeah, I know it. Need the gloves. I need a nice magical lucky train to come through town. I like the black background. It's a little softer on my eyeballs. I hope it is for you guys, but I will say it reveals all the interesting particles that come out of these packs. King Griffey Jr., Clayton Kershaw, All-Star Game card there, Tommy Pham, and a Mike King rookie for the Yankees. Like I said, we should be able to load up on some different rookie cards across some different teams. Some of them may be their first rookie card as well. Anthony Rizzo. We got a Ted Williams numbers game. Cesar Hernandez. Another one there for the Indians. I don't think the set is very large for this. We got another Gavin Lux debut. Pulling a lot of duplicates throughout a larger break, so I figure the set is fairly small. I have to look on the back and see, but probably a couple hundred cards. Cameron Maben, Rich Hill, Alex Bregman, and Pete Alonso. Oh, nice King Griffey Jr. The Mariners getting all the pink waves, it looks like. And nice Clayton Kershaw as well for the Dodgers. A couple nice ones. King Griffey Jr., maybe the most heavily traded card in the history of Major League Baseball. I would probably put money that he's the most graded baseball card in the history of baseball. Just across all of the brands that he is in, but I would probably assume that he's the most traded card out there. Wish he didn't have those injuries, eh? Never figure out these packs. I'm selling any hangers I got left in the closet. I'm done with this garbage. Can't pack hangers right. I can't get to the cards without destroying the box. Eric Thames, Johnny Bench numbers game. There's a Nick Solak debut, and Buster Posey all-star card there. Tyler Henneman, rookie for the Giants. Ian Miller for the Cubs. A Gleyber Torres and a King Griffey Jr. A lot of throwback cards in here, random all-star cards and things of that nature, but seem to be getting quite a few rookies and rookie debuts. Mike Moustakas for the Reds. Got a nice Decades Next Bo Bichette for the Blue Jays. It's a cool picture. You got some big shades on. Old Big Papi, David Ortiz, and Eric Davis. Heavy throwback card. There was a 1989 Home Run Derby. Sweet. I haven't found a Luis Robert yet. He does have a debut card in here, I think. And I think he has a Decades Next card as well. Starling Marte, Kevin Pillar, got an Aaron Judge, and Starlin Castro. That's kind of a lame pack. Just 4 base veteran cards there. All right, you pink wave pack coming up in a second. You better fill up with some rookies for us. Giancarlo Stanton. Dude's a beast when he's healthy. Ricky Henderson, numbers game. Cody Stashik, rookie for the Twins. And Josh Taylor for the Red Sox. Seems like quite a few of the rookies in this set might be pitchers. I don't have a count, but just seems like I'm pulling quite a few rookie pitchers. Hey, there we go. We got our first rookie pink wave is Aristides Aquino. Got a debut on August 19th, 2018. And then we have a Nick Turley, rookie for the Pirates. Asking out shall receive 2 rookie cards out of the pink wave packs. No Mariners this time. Whoever got the Mariners. With all your Ichiros and Griffey Juniors. Nice. I think the cellos have pinks as well, but they're not waves. They're just like plain old pinks. So I don't know what that's about, but that's just the way it is. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Cody Stashik for the Twins. Nice rookie there. Decades next, Victor Robles for the Nationals. Zach Wheeler for the Phillies. And Zach Davies for the Padres. Another Josh Taylor rookie for the Red Sox. Jonathan Villar. Upside down. We got Phillies rookie here. Evie Grulon. And Jesus Luzardo. Rookie debut September 11th, 2019. Interesting. David Price for the Dodgers. Numbers game, Ernie Banks, Chicago. Got some cards upside down in here. Domingo Santana for the Indians. And a Cal Ripken Jr. Got a couple of dimples up there above his head, but cool little Cal Ripken. Have not pulled a refractor yet. Really haven't pulled anything short print yet. We had a really good mega box break the other day, but hey, there's a nice Luis Robert debut. 24th of 2020 in July. Got an Andrew McCutchen. I feel like nobody talks about him anymore. Does he even play? Jose Altuve and Tino Martinez. I'll look at the back of one of these boxes in a second. I'd like to see what the odds are for a refractor, because we've yet to pull a short print. Javi Baez for the Cubs. Got another Vlad Guerrero Jr. Decades next. Those cards are really sharp looking. Who is this? Todd Frazier. And a Bo Bichette rookie debut for the Blue Jays. Alrighty. Mike King, nice pink wave rookie for the Yankees. And Cesar Hernandez for the Indians. I just want to see what our best odds to get anything short print is. I want to say it was like 1 in 27 packs for a mega box to get a refractor, but 1 in 102. That's actually what I remember now. It was 102. That is steep. I guess if you get a refractor out of one of these, it would take 2.5 breaks of this to quote unquote guarantee a refractor. But it's still odds anyways, so it might not even happen at that point. But we'll go through 40 packs tonight in this break. So we've got a 40 out of 102 chance to get a refractor. The refractor is numbered, I think, to like, I want to say 499 or something, but geez Louise. One refractor out of every 102 packs is depressing to think about. Guess it'll make them that much more valuable. There's old Mike Trout. Votto. All-Star game there. Josh Taylor again for the Red Sox. And Jonathan Villar once again for the Marlins. Old Aaron Judge. Willie Mays. Numbers game. David Price. And another Luis Robert. One in 102 packs. That is insane for the first possible hit odds. Like usually it's like you can get a, like in regular Topps Chrome, you get a refractor or a prism refractor almost every pack, one or the other. Nick Turley rookie for the Pirates. Got Aristides Aquino rookie. Andrew McCutchen also for the Pirates, and Javi Baez to round it out. Cy Snead for the Astros. Haven't seen that card before. Nice little rookie there. Ron Acuna Jr., Decades Next for the Braves. Ryan Howard. Haven't seen a card of him in a long time. And a Cal Ripken Jr. at the plate there, taking a hack. Eric Maya for the Royals. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing his last name right. Todd Frazier for the Rangers. Zach Green, rookie for the Giants. I wish everyone had a name like Zach Green. I feel like I can't mess that one up. Adario Agrazal for the Tigers. Nice couple of rookies there. Kevin, I think he had some time off work. They may have went on vacation or something, but he jumps in here occasionally and harasses a little bit. Eric Thames, Pink Wave for the Nationals, and Tyler Henneman, Pink Wave rookie for the Giants. Henneman. Alec Mills, rookie for the Cubs. Got numbers game Stan Musial. Wilmer Flores for the Giants. Another Randy Rosarina rookie. Stan Musial. That sounds so weird coming off my tongue. I don't know if I've ever said his name out loud. I got a bunch of old baseball memorabilia. I'm surprised I haven't talked about it, but Jared Dyson, Nico Horner, rookie debut there. We got Neil Walker, again for the Phillies, and Anthony Rendon for the Angels. Come on, refractor. 1 of 102 packs. Is this number 102? We got a Bryce Harper. Oh, there we go. Nice. Lou Bob. Decades Next rookie card there. Tommy Pham and Mike King, rookie for the Yankees. I think Trent Grisham is my sleeper pick to just have an awesome season. I feel like he gets overshadowed by Tatis. But some of the highlights I've seen of him, he's pretty decent. Mariano Rivera. Hey, there we go. Not a rookie card, but CJ Cron. Refractor for the Tigers. We got to 102. We got 102 packs. Nice. Should be out of, it's out of 250. Thought they were out of 499, but I was mistaken. Cesar Hernandez for the Indians, and another Gavin Lux rookie debut for the Dodgers. Nice. These refractors are a little bit thicker stock as well. See if I can actually... They do fit in here. It just takes a second to line it up. Nice. Well, I got a lot of light behind me. You can see, I don't know if you can see the ceiling and whatnot, but nice refractor out of 250. 211 out of 250. I don't think that's going to be jersey number, but good to see it. Good to see it. Jacob Degrom for the Mets. Jeff Bagwell numbers game. And numbers game set maybe kind of large. Alex Bregman and Pete Alonso. I think we probably got like 12 different numbers game guys tonight, it feels like. All right, Pink Waves. Hey, there's a nice one. Ronald Acuna Jr. and a little Yadier Molina. Not too bad. I like some Yachty. He's entertaining to watch. What'd he do the other day? He was toying around in the spring training game with a young kid on first base. Basically, I think he basically told him to steal, and he ended up trying to steal on him. Threw him out. Gotta love it. Baseball can be a pretty boring sport at times with little action going on. And the games have continued to get longer and longer as the years have gone on. But stuff like that makes it pretty entertaining. Players get into it a little bit, get under each other's skin. Ian Miller, rookie for the Cubs. We got a Derek Jeter numbers game. This was one of the first ones I think we got tonight. Another Yadi Molina and Albert Pujols. I want to go to the Cardinals too. Like I said, some throwback cards in here. We got a healthy little stack of top-loaded cards for a recap. Nothing crazy major, but some nice cards over there. Mike Moustakas, Starling Marte. Got Johnny Davis, rookie for the Rays. I don't think we've seen this one yet. And another Ichiro. Kevin Pillar. Got another Ron Acuna Jr. Decades Next. Insert there. Jesus Aguilar and Alec Mills, rookie for the Cubs. I said there's set's pretty small, it feels like here, so we will get quite a few rookies of the same player. So if you're really looking to stock up on somebody, keep an eye out for these rookies that we're pulling. This pack feels thick. I may be wrong. Juan Carlos Stanton, David Ortiz, Jared Dyson, and a Nico Horner rookie debut. It must have just been one of those cards. It was a little bowed or something. Felt like we might have had another refractor in there. Derek Jeter. Hank Aaron numbers game. Bryce Harper. for the Nationals there. I got to watch these cards. They're kind of throwbacks, so I got to really pay attention on who they go to. And Mariano Rivera. You know who he's going to go to. Pretty simple there. All right. Our last 2 cards of the night. Starlin Castro, Pink Wave for the Nationals. Oh, what? Oh, what a little bonus we've got here. It looks like we have 4 pinks. Starlin Castro, Zach Davies for the Padres, Degrom for the Phillies, and Domingo Santana for the Indians. So covered 4 little teams there. Awesome. We were definitely supposed to only get 2. I checked the pack. I thought it might have been an error. Like they may have another 4-card Pink Wave pack in some sets or in some boxes, but it said 2 on it. So nice little mistake. Bonus pink packs for us, or pink cards. Got another rookie out of it. Anyways, we'll do a quick recap. Not a crazy wild break. You know, it doesn't look like we're going to be pulling $1,000 cards out of here unless we find one of those super fractors, but we'll keep giving her a rip. Got a Jordan Rookie Cup debut. Kyle Lewis, Decades Next. Randy Rosarine, I got a few of those. There's another one. Vlad Guerrero Jr., I think we got 2 of those. Decades Next. There's a Griffey Pink Wave. Clayton Kershaw Pink Wave. Decades Next. Bo Bichette. Here's Aquino Pink Wave debut. Nick Turley Pink Wave. Luis Robert debut there. Our next little stack. Bo Bichette debut. Mike King Pink Wave rookie. Luis Robert debut. Ronald Acuna Jr. Decades Next. You got a Tyler Heineman Pink Wave rookie. Randy Rosarina. Luis Robert Decades Next. We did get a numbered card out of 250 CJ Chrome for the Tigers. Ronald Acuna Jr. Pink Wave and a David Grulon Pink Wave rookie for the Phillies. So actually pretty rare to get that refractor numbered card. 1 out of 102 packs. So cool that we got it. Only opening 40 packs, but anyways, I do appreciate you guys jumping in. I know a lot of you are in the next break, so we'll start that one probably here in about 5 or 10 minutes, whatever the time says. So you guys take it easy. If you need something, just shoot me a message. And we'll holler at you later. See you.